5 Best Lawn Mowers. Number 5. Husqvarna 7021P. Gas-powered push lawn mower. 160 cubic centimeters Honda GVC 160 engine. 3-in-1 cutting system mulch. Adjustable handle for ergonomic operation. Rear bag, and side discharge. 7021P is compliant for the state of California. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Greenworks 25302G Max. Li-ion battery system powers multiple tools. Cutting capacity making it ideal. 20-inch cutting deck offers a great balance. Innovative smart cut technology adjusts. Dual blades offer better cut quality. Easy to push through any yard. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Black & Decker MM2000. 20-inch wide cutting path. 7 sitting height adjustment. 1.5 inch to 4 inches high. Convenient carrying handle. Item weight, 52.9 pounds. 13-gallon nylon grass collection bag. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Greenworks 25022. Durable 20-inch steel deck. Powerful 12-amp motor. 7-position single lever height adjustment. Push-button start. Around your flower beds. Foldable handles for compact storage. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Craftsman 37430. 21-inch cutting width. Low 7-inch front wheels. Dual point deck height adjusters. 3-in-1 cutting methods. California carb compliant. The reduced dust rear bag collects all clippings. Please check the description for detail and price.